Hello everyone. In this session, I will discuss next part of the genetics, that is pedigree analysis. What is pedigree analysis? It is the study of inheritance of genetic traits in several generations of a human family in the form of a family tree diagram with the help of pedigree analysis. Now, why this pedigree analysis is done? What are the advantage of this pedigree analysis? First of all, it helps in genetic counseling to avoid disorders in future generations. Next, the origin of trait and the flow of trait in a family, especially in the case of diseased continuing in the family. Next, importantly, to know the possibilities of expressive recessive allele that can cause genetic disorders like hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia, etc. Next, the control crosses cannot be made in the human. So, pedigree analysis helps to study the inheritance pattern for any trait in the family. Next, it helps to understand the trait which is dominant or recessive, or it is a sex linked. Sometimes it also predicts the harmful effects of the marriage between the siblings, that is, close relatives. And of course, this pedigree analysis is extensively used in the field of medical research. Now, how the family tree or pedigree analysis is done? What are the symbols for it? For male, the symbol is a square. The female, the symbol is circle. And the unspecified sex, the symbol is rhombus shape. When these symbols are shaded, it shows the affected individuals. And the mating, how the mating is shown. When a square is joined by a single line with the circle, it shows the individuals between the mating between the individuals, the parents. But if the square and circle are joined by the two lines, it shows mating between the close relatives. So, but when the parents single line joined and a vertical line is shown with the circle or square, it shows the first generation progeny from left to right. Suppose the left one is circle, the progeny is the daughter of the couple, and next, if it is square, that is a second child, the son. If the first generation, any circle or square is shaded, it shows that the couple has given birth to the affected child. And if the number is written, the number shows the progeny and the Roman number shows the generations. Now there are two kinds of genetic disorders: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders are caused due to the alteration or mutation in single gene, and they follow the Mendel's laws of inheritance. In Mendel's disorders, let us discuss few examples like hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, PKU, thalassemia, color blindness, etc. Hemophilia is the sex-linked recessive disorder, and in this case, the patient continues to bleed even with a minor cut, and they have the defect in the blood coagulation. Because the gene for hemophilia is located on the X chromosome, and males are the sufferer from hemophilia than the females. Because in males, single gene for the defect is able to express as they have only one X chromosome. The defective alleles that are produced due to the non-functional protein, which later form a non-functional cascade of protein involved in blood clotting. So the females suffer from this disease only in homozygous condition. That means X small c, X small c. This means that the female is the carrier of the hemophilia. In the history, the Queen Victoria was a carrier for this disease and produced hemophilic offsprings in many generations. Next Mendelian disorder is sickle cell anemia. It is an autosome-linked recessive trait. This disease is controlled by a single pair of allele, HBA and HBS. But only the homozygous individual, HBS, shows the diseased phenotype. The heterozygous individual are the carriers, such as HBA and HBS. Now why this has happened? This happens due to the point mutation of the glutamic acid, which is replaced by the valine at the 6th position of beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. How it occurs? It occurs due to the single base substitution at 6th codon of beta globin gene from GAG to GUG. The mutated hemoglobin molecule, they undergo polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing the shape of the RBC to change from biconcave to sickle-like, and as a result, these sickle-shaped RBC, they cannot passes through the narrow capillaries, and they are clogged and affect blood supply to the different organs. Next type of Mendelian disorder is phenylketonuria. This is an inborn disease and it is autosomal recessive trait. The affected individual, they lacks the enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase. that converts amino acids phenylalanine into tyrosine in liver. And when phenylalanine is accumulated and get converted into phenylpyruvic acid and its other derivatives, it affects the brain and bring about mental disorder in any person. Phenylalanine is also excreted through the urine because due to poor absorption in the kidney. Next disease is thalassemia. It is also a autosomal linked recessive disease, and this is also caused due to the mutation or deletion of the chromosome. It results in the reduced rate of synthesis of one of the globin chain of the hemoglobin and causes anemia. Thalassemia is also of two types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia, the alpha globin chain is affected, which is controlled by the closely linked genes HBA1 and HBA2 on the chromosome 16. It occurs due to the mutation or deletion of one or more of the 4 genes. Beta thalassemia, production of beta globin chain is affected. It is also occurs due to mutation of the both or one HBB genes on chromosome 11. Next Mendelian disorder is the color blindness. It is sex-linked recessive disorder. It results in defect in either red or green cone of the eye, and the patient, they failure to discriminate between red and green color. The gene for the color blindness is present on X chromosome. It is observed more in males. XCY, X is the carrier, because the presence of only one X chromosome as compared to the 2 chromosomes of the females. It occurs 8% in males and very few, 0.04% in females. Next genetic disorder is the chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder is caused due to the addition, subtraction, or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. It is of two kinds, aneuploidy, when the chromatids fail to segregate during cell division, it results in addition or subtraction of the chromosome called aneuploidy. It may be trisomy 2n plus 1 or monosomy 2n minus 1. Second type is polyploidy, when there is failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of the cell division. It results in the increase in the number of chromosomes in organisms, and generally polyploidy is seen in the plants. Chromosomal disorders in human being such as Down syndrome. Down syndrome is caused when additional copy of chromosome number 21 occurs, also called trisomy of chromosome 21. The symptoms in the Down syndrome persons are, they are short, small round-headed face, partially open mouth with protruding tongue, palms are broad, physically, mentally, they are retarded. Next syndrome is Klinefelter syndrome. This causes due to the presence of additional X chromosome, resulting in the karyotype autosomes plus XXY, means the Klinefelter syndrome person, they has 47 chromosome, addition of the chromosome. The symptoms in these individuals, it occurs in males but possess some feminine characters like breast development, poor beard growth, sterile, feminine type of voice, and tall stature. Next disease which is found in the females is Turner syndrome. This is caused by the absence of one X chromosome, resulting the karyotype autosomes plus XO. That is, they have only 45 chromosome. The symptoms in this type of females, they are sterile, their ovaries are rudimentary, they lack other secondary sexual characters, underdeveloped feminine body, poor development of the breast, short structure, small uterus with small puffy fingers. So thank you for this session.